Hi and welcome back to another Whiteboard Wednesday, and in this episode we're talking about content CTAs. And if you don't know what a CTA is, it's a call to action. Now it's really important. When I look at agents' blog posts, I go to the bottom of the blog post and I see there's no CTA at all. There's no extra step that somebody can take. When somebody comes to the end of a piece of content, they've just spent 5 or 10 minutes reading your content. You want them to take an action at the end of it, don't you? There's no point just leading them into a cul-de-sac right at the end of your content. So give them something to do. There's a few things you can get them to do. So one of the things is you can lead them onto another piece of content. So maybe you've written a piece of content about what to do before a viewing, and perhaps you've got a video on Facebook called What to Do Before a Viewing, or 6 steps to make your house beautiful for a viewing, or how to prepare for a viewing. So why not link to that Facebook video? Or something else that they might find useful. Perhaps you've got a downloadable guide or a checklist, and you can use that in your blog post to take somebody on to the next step. Or you might just say, if you'd like to have a chat about how your home should be presented for viewings, we'd love to hear from you, give us a call. Now, of course, the harder the CTA, the call to action, the less likely somebody is to be able to take that call to action. But of course, if it's a valuable call to action, then you might want to include that every now and again in a blog post, like get in touch. So in between times, you'll be doing a very, very small call to action. It might just be like our Facebook page where you'll see lots of information about this particular topic, or it might be download our checklist and put your email address in. That's a little bit of a bigger call to action. Or it could be send us an email, a bigger again call to action. And of course, the biggest call to action is give us a call. So you should be mixing up these calls to action in all of your content, be it written, video, any kind of content you're putting out should always have a call to action. And of course, as always, our call to action is subscribe to make sure that you're watching these videos every single time they come out and you never miss an episode of Whiteboard Wednesday. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.